Is alkaline water a scam? There are thousands of websites and pyramid schemes hawking $6,000 machines to alkalize our tap water into miracle healing water. And not just any miracle healing water, but magical miracle healing water, with, no surprise, miraculous properties, one of the supposed greatest health advances in human history, the secret to optimal health and longevity! Though if you actually scroll down, you'll see the disclaimer that they're not allowed to claim their water will actually do any of these things. Does our water actually help restore the body to a youthful condition? We can't say. The skeptics are skeptical. Alkaline water is described as an incredible fraud foisted on the public by desperate, deluded, glue-sniffing wannabes, asserting that there's no credible evidence in the scientific literature that there are any particular benefits. It turns out that they're both wrong. A new study found that compared to a control group drinking regular water, young adults drinking about a quart of alkalized water a day dropped their bad cholesterol 10% within 2 months. That's pretty impressive. And older women may achieve a drop of nearly 15%. That's huge. And even help their blood sugars. If you and your doctor want to give it a try, you can make alkaline water this way, or this way, by adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda to a liter or quart of water. You can save yourself $5,999.99. Now, baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, so this would add about 1 gram of sodium to our daily diet, but sodium bicarb doesn't seem to have the same effect as sodium chloride, or table salt. In this study, those drinking the baking soda water had no change in blood pressure, and the other study actually found that they enjoyed a significant improvement in their blood pressure, but your physician will want to keep an eye on it. So alkaline water machines are indeed a scam, but alkaline water itself may not be.
Oh, yeah. Okay, for my cousin, he, after 3 days, acid reflux and heartburn went away of drinking the water. And then after 90 days, he had a pain in his leg that for 18 years that went away after drinking the water for 90 days.
Wow.
Yeah. And then for myself, after 12 days of drinking the water, I had an energy boost, and I felt like running that morning, so I jumped on the treadmill and started running for 20 minutes, and I walked for 10 minutes. And I have asthma, and so I've been running for the last 11 weeks, 3-4 days a week for about 30-40 minutes. It's phenomenal.
So you don't have asthma anymore?
No. It doesn't interfere with anything.
You had it before?
I had it before, yes.
Very severe or mild?
No, I got inhalers and stuff, and it kind of, what I found out is that, after drinking the water, I changed my diet a little bit, and I found out that dairy actually is a trigger, and I found that out by drinking the water.
Wow.